One eternity later.
Ano ba yan?
Let's go!
Hello, welcome to another vlog. Thank you last time sa pag-view ng solo vlog. Muli, samahan nyo sa mga story at sabay-sabay tayong sisigaw na. For this vlog, hindi tayo solo. Mga kasama natin, matigas ang ulo. The cast of this vlog. Ready na kaming mag-travel sa Pinas. Kaya naman ang pag-iimpake ay paspas. While waiting, may picture taking. Tara, let's boarding na.
Let's go!
Madalas kaming mag-travel via this airline going to Manila. Sa dahilan na 5-star service, friendly cabin crew, and great value for money. I'm sure may mga cool airlines then going to Manila, and we would like to try. Comment down below kung may suggestion kayo. Paalala sa mga tatay, when you're traveling with your team, your family, you must be tigasin, tigasain, tigasaway, tigasangan, at higit sa lahat, tigasalo ng mga dalahin. While si attendant sa bagahe abala, si monitor sa pasahero may paalala.
Exits and walkways must be kept clear at all times. Baggage should be securely stowed in the overhead compartments or under the seats in front of you. Take care when opening overhead lockers, as items may fall out. In-flight entertainment monitors must be folded away. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Let's go!
Man of July ginawa itong video na to. Tag-ulan sa Pinas, summer naman dito sa Doha. So good luck na lang to us. It is a 4-part travel story of Sigawan from Manila to Boracay, El Nido, and Palawan.
Let's go!
It's chibugan time. Ano kayang kinakain ng mga chikiting in real time?
So what's your meal? What are you eating? Croissant. And what about you? Chocolates.
Let's go!
Kunting tumbling na larn, kaya lavarn, kabayarn. Sa 9 hours na biyahe, napasigaw ako ng grabe. Touchdown, Pilipinas, muntik na akong magkaalmoranas. So, we stayed somewhere in Manila for a couple of days. May paalmusal, nag-ready sa galaan, nagutom at naghanap ng makakainan. Naglakad sa isang malaking mall na nag-uumpisa sa letter May at nagtatapos sa letter Ga. While waiting, may picture taking. May patanghalian at napasabak ng kantahan sa bandang hapunan.
A few moments later.
Anong swerte nga naman dahil na-invite tayo sa handaan. Of course, hindi mawawala ang chismisan at konting sayawan. Nawet sa tindi ng tag-ulan. Nagutom at napaatak sa ningnangan. At eto na, sasabak na tayo sa tugtugan.
Let's go!
A few moments later.
Ayan, ano ba yan?
A few moments later.
After all the fun, laughter, and activities in Manila, visit our old folks, spending time with family and relatives, it's time for another adventure.